Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Lusha, and this is the best software to find and reach decision makers B2B. So this is a business to business platform. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses on Lusha. Make sure to give a try to that. So jumping onto the platform, you will be able to see, since this platform is to find and reach different type of decision makers and people that are working in the same industry for business to business demands. You're going to be having your features for that. So if you want to have unrivaled data or prospect and ramp rep speed, so if you want to onboard your entire team in 10 minutes, it have the best solutions for that. Now if you talk about the solutions it provides, those are related to the sales. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see much more clearly. You have your marketing, so if you want to have some marketing services and you want some features for that, you're going to be getting that as well. Now talking about other solutions related to company, it is available for enterprise and SMB. So you can also have this option of customer stories and competition analysis, so you can check out what others are doing and have a better idea about the market standards. So now jumping on its pricing, you have different type of pricings and plans. So the first one is free, and we have pro starting from 36, premium is 59. So you can see the features in the free one. We get a lot of them, but of course it is going to be temporary. After that we have our bulk and 50 contacts that we can add. For the $59 we have 150 contacts, and for custom we can even have more if we need in demand. If you want to simply have your contacts and companies added, you have that option in here. They have this razor sharp filters to get your list of 1,000 prospects in one go, so you can add a lot of people to generate different type of leads and many other features as well. If you're unsure about Lusha and what people think about it, we have some reviews ready in here. So I am a marketer research associate with an experience of 2 years, and we are using Lusha. So best tool to extract contacts on potential leads on LinkedIn. So make sure to give a try to Lusha using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.